OpenAI has introduced apps in their ChatGPT interface. So in this video, let's understand what are the apps and how to use apps in your ChatGPT interface. I am here on my chatgpt.com. Here on this plus icon, when I click, I'll see bunch of options. One of them is add sources. When I click on it, you will see there is sources tag available and there is a button add. If I click on that, you'll see there are Gmail, calendar and bunch of other apps that are ready for a connection. So if I click on connect more, you'll see different interface and you can see there are so many different apps like Figma, Spotify, Expedia, Coursera, Booking.com and bunch of other apps are ready for a connection. I have connected Canva and GitHub. The usual way of connection is that when you click on an app, it will open the app's login interface. You log in with your credential for that app and the connection will be successful and OpenAI will leverage that app. So I already have connected Canva. So in this video, let's understand how to use Canva to generate an image. So what I'll do first is click here and go to more and I'll see now Canva since I already have connected it. But if you don't want to every time select the app, what you can do is that you can just write the name of the app and when I hit space, you will see Canva is automatically detected and I can say generate an image. But in this video, I want to show you something very useful. I create YouTube videos. So what I'll do is that I'll use Canva to generate a YouTube video for me. So I'll go to one of my projects, YouTube details. In this project, I generate the description, title and tags using ChatGPT. So I recently have introduced a video about Python environment management. So I'll go into that and you'll see that it has generated all the title, details, tags and a LinkedIn post. So here I'll say Canva and when I hit space, Canva is selected. I'll say generate a thumbnail for this video. And when I hit enter, you'll see that it is connecting to the application. Once the application is connected, it will start generating different images or thumbnails in my case. And after a few seconds or a minute, it will generate images. You can see it has created a couple of images. Here is one, here is one. So I think I like this one, manage Python environments the smart way. So when I click on it, you'll see there is open in Canva button. So when I click on that, you'll see it actually opens Canva with the same thumbnail it has generated. And you can see how beautiful this is. And you can see it has captured the essence of the video itself. Now I can work on this image whatever way I like. So I hope this very quick video on how to use apps inside your ChatGPT interface has helped you. I think this is it from my side. If you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.